Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to check up this brand new unit because cannot be under. Alright, this unit this unit is brand new. Cannot be brum brum because long time ago that stuck in the warehouse. We're going to clean the fuel tank and also the injector because there's gasoline inside the tank that stuck about 3 years. That's standby in the warehouse. You see there's a lot of ugaw. Look, the gasoline is turned into color black. Look, there's so much dusty in gasoline. That's why the gasoline, the color is red turning into black. There's so much because a long time ago that the gasoline were stuck up in the fuel tank, and we're going to replace it the new gasoline gas. And also the battery is drained. The power of the battery is drained also. Low battery. This is a brand new unit. The reason of so many dusty in the fuel tank because here the paint is burning. Look, there's a dust. See, the paint is burning. We're going to clean this area using and also we're going to clean the fuel injector. the smell of the gasoline is something different. All right, now we are going to jump for other battery because it's low bat. The original battery in the unit is low bat, and are testing. Very hot. The sun is very hot here in the Philippines. How about you there, guys? Comments below, and please subscribe my channel. We're going to testing. All right. It's okay because the gas is new. We'll disconnect the jumper. All right, it's okay. Thank you for watching, guys.